Knowledge managers, technical writers, and IT admins know the pain. Disorganized content, inconsistent taxonomies, and contributor workflows that feel like herding cats. The Knowledge Base Pack fixes this with AI powered taxonomy generation using NLP clustering, automated content lifecycle management with SLA based expiry tracking, role based contributor permissions with multi stage approval flows, and a search analytics dashboard that surfaces real time query patterns. Imagine your knowledge base actually organizing itself while you sip coffee. That's the dream, right? Here's what's inside the Knowledge Base Pack. Start with the AI taxonomy engine that auto generates hierarchical tags using semantic similarity. Then, lifecycle automation modules for version control, expiry alerts, and stale content archiving. Next, Workflow Builder for custom contributor roles with Slack integrations. Add the search analytics layer for heat maps and gap analysis. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Your knowledge base just got a supercharger. Installing the knowledge base pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add knowledge base pack. That's it. You get the full workflow: taxonomy builder, lifecycle automator, workflow engine, and analytics dashboard. Next time you open Claude Code, your AI assistant instantly knows taxonomy best practices, contributor workflows, and how to auto clean stale content. It's like hiring a knowledge architect who fits in your terminal.